In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber customer service. Whether you're a seasoned Uber rider or just beginning to explore the platform, knowing how to reach out to customer service can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the main Uber website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to gu.uber.com. This is where you'll find everything you need to start the process. The main page has a lot of information about Uber services, and it's a great resource for both earning and riding. Once you arrive at Uber's homepage, look towards the top of the page. You'll notice several menu options. What you're looking for is the Help section. This is your portal to solving any issues you might encounter while using Uber services. Click on Help, and it will redirect you to their customer support area. After you're in the Help section, you will see a variety of options addressing different concerns. It's laid out in a way that makes it easy to navigate through Uber's various products. Here, you'll need to choose the product or service that matches your issue, whether it's related to ride sharing, deliveries, or something else. This is where you specify. Next, we need to focus specifically on ride-related issues, which is the most common reason for reaching out to Uber. So click on the option labeled Riders. This will take you to a more targeted area that deals specifically with issues that riders might face on the platform. At this point, you should be seeing a new set of options that cater to riders exclusively. To refine your search and pinpoint exactly what you need help with, use the search bar prominently located on the Rider's Help page. Simply click on it and type in the keywords related to your issue. This could be anything from fare adjustments to lost items or even general inquiries about how various features work. Using specific terms will help narrow it down to the most relevant articles and troubleshooting tips. In just a few easy steps, you have reached the part of the Uber website where you can seek the help you need. Remember, the more specific you can be about your issue, the quicker you'll get the assistance you're looking for. If the information available online doesn't resolve your question, Uber often provides options for further contact or escalation if necessary. That's it. Following these steps will take you where you need to go to get quality help from Uber's customer service team. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you next time.